Is OCGN about to wake up? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm coming to you from New York. OCGN. Wow. 1 week ago wasn't appealing. Now it is. Today is July 1st, 2026. Happy July. So I was on the 2-month time frame. Someone who is learning from my channel, my page here on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, but specifically TikTok, this person brought OCGN to my attention a week ago. And I didn't really see anything then. But now I potentially see higher lows and higher highs on the 2-month. So September 2023, you had it landing at 0.36, hitting 204, and then coming back down to 0.64, which is a higher low than 0.38. It wicked up to 2.7, higher than 2.09, so a higher high, and hasn't seen 0.646. So is it creating higher highs and higher lows? Is it forming an uptrend? That is something we will get into with time, but you want to trade the trend, something that we started talking about Monday, last week, really. Something that we started talking about last week, really. You want to follow if a stock is going to the upside or the downside. If it's going to the upside, you want to take the trade to the upside. It looks like OCGN could be potentially going to the upside. The 3-week shows that the momentum line was in the 48 area and now is in the 52 area. It is coming towards that average line. Okay, let me get my arrow tool for those of you who are just joining in. I'm getting somewhere. There's a trade today, potentially, between today and tomorrow, so bear with me. It was in the 48 area. The purple line is the momentum line. You want it above this yellow average line here. The momentum line is coming to that average line here on the 3-week. The 1-week time frame just showed the momentum line above this average line. This happened, today is Wednesday, this happened Monday. So we see that the 1-week momentum is in our favor, which is a beautiful sign to the upward side for OCGN. As we go in to the 5-day, we see that momentum line is above the average line. And we also see now together, both of it is together hand in hand now, this 21-day moving average is still above this 200-day moving average on the 5-day. So OCGN is bullish. It's looking to the upward side. The 2-day momentum is above this average line, but it is in that 53 area, so be aware of it. When it gets to that 70 area, we are looking for a pullback for OCGN. So even though the momentum line is above the average line for OCGN, it is getting far away from that average line, so we may see a retracement back down. Okay. The 12-hour hit that 75 area, and now that momentum line is under the average line on the 12-hour. Same for the 7-hour. The 3-hour, that momentum line is now down to the 50 area. Okay. It's coming down from that 80 area. So like I said, when the momentum line hits that 70 area, you know you are taking profit. You know you are exiting. Not financial advice. This is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes. Let's go into that 1-hour time frame. This is what I saw this morning. Let me get this arrow tool. You do have this 21-day above the 200-day on the 1-hour. And you have this momentum line in that 43 area, but this morning at 4 a.m., you had that momentum line in that 39 area. So that would be an entry. Okay, we always say you enter a trade in that 30 area. You will have more wins than losses. Not financial advice. I do see swing down here under the RSI. And I see swing up under price action. I took the measured length of the last pop, put it at the base here of price action, and it looks like it can see 1.87 a share. So that is roughly 20% coming for OCGN between today and tomorrow, roughly in the near future. Can't time the market. In the near future, OCGN could see 20%. So happy July 1st. Have a beautiful Wednesday. See you all in the next video.